Attention. We are about to stop in South Totago in order to empty the waste tanks.
Guys, one of the enemies is kidnapping me. Ah!
Well, you know what? I am planning to summon a sea storm to make the ship rock back and forth. Let's see what it happens.
The automatic smart announcement system informs you that this area is known for Crazy Sciences Incorporated's developer site. The UNPolice has established first contact for Pirate Void in the new human stardate of 2005.663. We live in peace, in object chaos. Repeat, we live in peace, in object chaos. Stay indoors until further notice. The identified pirate is considered hostile. Update. Housey is known for being an rip-off version of him.
We have stopped at Cape Town in order to the waste tanks to be emptied.
Be quiet, Leopold. This isn't ship ride.
We've emptied our waste tanks. Now resuming.
Guys, I'm about to fall.
Guys, we are about to enter rough seas. At least it did not capsize as well. We are now approaching the cool islands. Watch out for the rough seas.
Guys, look. I can see the cool islands. We're there.
Everyone is ready to take a picture. Wait, SS Pinewood is getting through the Ultra Highway in the Tie-In Islands. Gammy told me that the Ultra Highway ride will happen in 2007. Sergeant.